Hi all, we have already covered the first category of hardware, that is internal hardware. Now the second category, external hardware. The hardware components that are connected to the computer externally are called external hardware, which are connected outside the computer. They are attached to the computer by plugging them into the respective ports. The external hardware devices are also called peripherals. They fall into three main categories. Input devices, examples are keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner, etc. Output devices, monitor, speakers, projector, printer, etc. Storage devices, flash drive, memory cards, etc. Input devices. Input devices accept data from the user and convert the data and instructions into binary form using zeros and ones. Keyboard. A keyboard is the main input device of the computer used for providing input to the computer. It resembles a typewriter console as it has a number of buttons called keys. On typing a key or combination of keys, a unique set of binary code is generated and sent to the computer. There are different types of keys on the keyboard. They are alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, special keys, etc. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device used for moving the pointer or cursor on the monitor. When the user moves the mouse on a flat surface, the pointer or cursor also moves in the same direction. A mouse usually has two buttons, left and right, and a scroll wheel. Left button is used to select items, right button is used to open context menus, and scroll wheel is used to scroll through the document. Many different types of mouse are available. They are wired mouse, wireless mouse, mechanical mouse, scroll mouse, optical mouse, laser mouse, etc. Then microphone. It is an input device that is used to input audio, music or noise into the computer. This audio can then be stored in the computer. It works by converting sound waves into electrical energy. Scanner. It takes a printed picture, drawing or document and converts it into an image file. This file can then be stored, viewed and edited on a computer. A scanner can be connected to a computer through a USB port. Suppose you want to upload your photograph in an application. You can scan the photo using scanner. It will be converted into image file and then you can upload it. Like this, your certificates, mark sheets, etc. can also be scanned. Scanners are of different types. Flatbed scanners, sheet-fed scanners, handheld scanners and drum scanners. The second category of external hardware is output devices. They convey information from the computer to the user. We know we enter data through input devices. CPU processes it and we obtain the output through output devices. Examples for output devices. Number 1, monitor. It is also called Visual Display Unit or VDU. It resembles a television screen and it displays text and graphics. The size of the monitor is measured diagonally. The two main types of monitors are cathode ray tube monitor or CRT monitor, and liquid crystal display monitor LCD monitor. The output viewed on a video or monitor is called a soft copy, and when it is printed, it is called hard copy. Speakers. Speakers are also output devices. They send audio information from the computer to the user in the form of sound and noise. They are connected to the audio port or USB port. They are always available in pairs. Next one, projector. A projector shows the output on a large screen. It is generally used in teaching, seminars and meetings to enable the audience to view the information being processed. The screen of the projector can be white cloth or a whiteboard. Even a wall can be used as projector's screen. Printer. Printer is another important output device of the computer. It produces a printed copy of the data stored in a computer, usually on paper. The printed output is called hard copy. There are different types of printers depending upon the quality of printing, speed, the material used to print, etc. They are dot matrix printer, inkjet printer and laser printer. Dot matrix printer is very slow and noisy and it is outdated. Inkjet printer uses special ink to print and the quality of printing is good as compared to a dot matrix printer. Laser printers are very fast and expensive printers which use a special powder called toner to print. The third category is storage devices. These are devices used to store data and information for future use. Example, pen drive. It is also called flash drive, thumb drive or USB drive. It is a lightweight disk and it is connected to the USB port of the computer while reading and writing data or information. Its storage capacity varies from 1 GB to 1 TB. Pen drive is mainly used to transfer data from one computer to another. A memory card is another example for storage device. It is a small card that is inserted and used in many small portable devices like digital cameras, mobile phones, tablets, MP3 player, laptops, etc.